The power steering pump on the 1989 Bronco Metro has been making some noises the past couple weeks of driving. I think I know why. The lateral movement of the pulley tells me the internal shaft bearings are starting to wear down. So it's time to replace the pump. The pulley on this pump is not a bolt-on. It is a press fit and requires a special tool to remove it. This kit from Evercraft is set up for removing and installing pressed-on pulleys. I have the pulley already removed to show how the removal tool is set up. There are two grab collars that nest into the groove and onto the pulley shaft. The pressing collar is also grabbed by these two collars, and then everything is held together by the retaining ring. As the pressing collar is spun, it puts pressure on the pump shaft and pulls the pulley off. It's a bit of a tight fit, so we'll be doing most of this with wrenches. I live my life a quarter turn at a time. I apologize for the shaky camera. I forgot it was left on a quick time-lapse setting. The pressure line can be removed from the side, and the return line on the bottom will be removed once the pump is loose. Three bolts hold the pump to the mounting bracket. Once it's loose, the pump can be positioned to access the clamp for the return line. Then the whole pump can be removed. One thing I forgot to film was draining the rest of the power steering fluid from the system. That way I don't have to worry about any shrapnel that may have been in the system from the bad pump. Yep, that's the new pump. Looks like it's the same as the old. Let's get it put in. The installer tool uses a long bolt that threads into the steering pump shaft. Then the collar moves down the bolt and presses the pulley onto the shaft. Nice and flushed, and no more wiggle. Now all we need to do is wiggle the new belt over the fan and onto the pulleys. Then using a 1/2-inch ratchet, the pump can be tensioned and locked in. Let's see if I can add fluid without making a mess. I got most of it in. With the front end jacked up to take the load off the system, we can turn the wheels back and forth multiple times to bleed out all the air from the system, topping off the fluid when needed. I'd go for a test drive, but it's super cold out. I'll have to wait for warmer weather. Thanks for watching.